what I'm trying to do is be as honest as possible, use my personal experience, use the peculiarities of life and the strange sense that I have of being in this mad world, and try to reflect it back to others so that they might feel it too. I'm very interested in humour, and of course I'm also very interested in horror, and I feel very safe when I become a unicorn or a swan or turn myself into a princess or a monster. Sometimes with the worst horror comes a type of escapism and a permission to go beyond the horror into some other place and make light of the horrors out there, just even for a moment. Once it's there, it's really for you, the audience, to embrace and fill it with your own interpretations and meanings.